Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out another review. Tonight we're going to be talking about neck gaiters. I know you all know what neck gaiters are. I came across the company that made them along with a few other things you guys might be interested in. They went ahead and sent me a few to review for you guys, so stay tuned after the intro and we'll be right back. Welcome back guys, thanks for coming back to the channel, checking out another review. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I hope you're safe wherever you're at. I appreciate all the support. You guys have been super awesome on here and over on Instagram. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell notification for future uploads. The company tonight we're going to talk about is called Fast Mask. Starting out in 2018, they don't only make neck gaiters, they make gloves, shoe shields, hats, apparel, basically for all you adrenaline junkies out there. And the three that they sent me, I'm going to go ahead and go over for you guys tonight. I know myself, in the wintertime when it comes, I absolutely hate the back of my neck when it gets cold. If my neck's cold, my whole body's cold. It's just, I don't know, it's weird. These neck gaiters, I wore them a few times. I know it's probably a bad time to wear them. It's the end of summer and it's pretty warm out, but the last few nights have been kind of cold. I wore these a few times and it's actually kept my neck pretty warm, my face pretty warm. They are microfiber fabric, so they're moisture wicking, they're breathable, you don't have to worry about sweat building up. They're pretty awesome and they make over 90 designs. You name it, they probably have it. I'm gonna try to do some of this camera magic for you again like I did on a few other videos. We'll see how that turns out. My first pick of a neck gaiter was this one. You guys know me, I'm all about freedom, liberty, America, you know. And as you can see, it's pretty long. The ends are sewn shut. These neck gaiters are stretchable, of course. And on some of them, they don't have the finished sewed like that. Usually they're like kind of frailed off. But these ones are sewn. We're gonna try some camera magic here. We'll see if I can get this real quick. 1, 2. Check that out. Do you like that magic? As you can see, if I'm sitting down, so it ain't really gonna be able to tell. But the necks are pretty long on this. You can always tuck it in your shirt. But this stuff is very light material. Like I said, it's microfiber, and I think it looks pretty awesome. I especially like the face, like it pops out, you know, and it looks good, it feels good, and it'll keep your face warm, it'll keep the back of your neck warm. Just really cool looking. And as you can see, I'm talking. You can see kind of this moving a little bit. It's pretty cool. But yeah, if you guys are into this, these are definitely pretty comfortable. And of course, if you have a beard, that's exactly what's gonna happen. It didn't look too shabby. Put a little ponytail in there, you know, what the heck. But that's that one. And remember guys, like I said, they have over 90 designs. So I'm gonna cut back and come with a different one. And of course you all guys know Guy Fawkes. Remember, the 5th of November. If you guys ever seen that movie, it's a great movie, V for Vendetta. This used to be one of my favorite characters. I actually just like the mask and how it looks. And it's the same material, like I said, it's microfiber. You sweat, it ain't gonna sit there and build up in the material. You can breathe through it, it feels really good. You can pull it up as high as you want. I mean, high enough to where you can see, of course, obviously. And that's that one. Looks pretty neat. Heck yeah. For the next one, I'm just going to go ahead and take my hat off, take this off, and show you guys how easy it is to put on. And like I said, they're pretty long. They're stretchy. Get my hair back. Beard's all out of whack. And this is how they come. And I believe on the website, I read, I think they're $10 a piece, which is really, really cheap, especially with a cool design on it. And for the third one, I chose a gas mask. It almost looks like snake scales. But when I put this on, I just start with the bottom. Alright, I'll be right back. Put it all the way down. Of course, my hair is going to get in the way. And there you go. Pretty cool. Pardon my hair, guys. Check that out. That's so cool looking, I think. And I think I'm going to give this one to one of my daughters. Pretty neat. And like I said, they're comfortable. They're breathable. I know I keep saying that, but I just want to make sure you guys know. And to get them off, just yank them off right there. Alright, I had to cut out of that so I can fix myself up. But like I said, guys, these, I believe I read $10 a piece on their website. They have 90 plus designs. They are microfiber material. You don't have to worry about the sweat building up. They're breathable. They look good. They're stylish. These guys offer apparel, gloves, foot shields, hats, stickers. I didn't show you guys the sticker. Pretty awesome. This company is called Fast Mask. I'll put everything in the description box below, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. I want to send a big thank you out to Fast Mask for sending these out for review. I appreciate it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the review. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, big thumbs up for me if you want. Until the next review, guys. Peace. Guys, thanks for sticking around. If you're still here, I appreciate all the support. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button.